Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Daikon radish, a staple in many Asian dishes, is truly a culinary gem. Its flavor is wonderfully mild, offering a subtle sweetness with just a hint of peppery freshness, quite unlike its smaller relatives. This long white root vegetable is incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it crisp and raw in salads, or transform it into something wonderfully tender when cooked. It's a fantastic ingredient to explore in your kitchen, adding a unique and delicate touch to countless meals. Before you start cooking, proper preparation is key. First, give your daikon a good wash under cold water, then use a peeler to remove the outer skin. It's quite thick, so don't be shy. How you cut it depends on your dish. Thick rounds are great for simmering, while julienne strips work well for salads. Remember to store any leftover daikon tightly wrapped in the fridge, and it should stay fresh for several days, ready for your next culinary creation. One of the most beloved ways to enjoy daikon is by simmering it gently. This cooking method works wonders, softening the daikon until it's melt-in-your-mouth tender, almost like a potato. Simply cut your daikon into thick rounds, then simmer them in a flavorful dashi, vegetable broth, or even a light soy sauce mixture. As it slowly cooks, the daikon will beautifully absorb all those delicious flavors, making each bite incredibly rich and satisfying. It's a comforting dish perfect for a cozy meal. If you're looking for different textures, try roasting or sautéing your daikon. Roasting it in the oven with a little olive oil can bring out a delightful natural sweetness, giving it a slightly caramelized edge that's truly delicious. For a quicker option, sautéing thinly sliced daikon in a pan until tender crisp works perfectly. Both methods are fantastic for showcasing daikon's versatility. Just add your favorite seasonings, maybe some sesame oil or a sprinkle of herbs, for a simple, flavorful side dish. Daikon is a true global ingredient, featuring prominently in dishes across Asia. Think of classic Japanese oden, a savory stew, or the spicy, fermented goodness of Korean kimchi. Beyond these, daikon can add a fantastic crunch to stir-fries, a delicate sweetness to gratins, or a refreshing tang when pickled. It's a vegetable with so much to offer, whether you're exploring traditional recipes or creating something new. So, grab some daikon and start your delicious culinary adventure today.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.